Tori Baird here. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning now. Who's that? That's Mark Baird from HigherPatriots.com. You can check out our website. He's, right now, this is the first thing Mark does every morning, is he's training for a Labor Day race here in Bristol Cove in Carlsbad, California. There's going to be a big race on Labor Day, and last year he came in, I think, third, and our son, who's 18 years old, and a triathlete, came in first, but Mark's bound and determined to win this year, so he's out there training really, really hard. And that's what we do every morning about 6 a.m. because the water's all glassy and pretty. And so this is where we live. And so we'll let you guys know what happens with this race. We'll let you know who wins. We'll probably film it. This is it. This is my kayak. I have a funny little kayak. Look at my funny kayak. Nobody rides this kayak but me, because it takes really good balance to ride this kayak. That's my kayak. And here we are in Bristol Cove. It's kind of a cloudy morning like it usually is in the mornings here. There he is. He's going to go again. Okay, everybody. HigherPatriots.com. Come check us out. Bye-bye.